In this video, you will look at the process of registration for eWaybill, choosing Tally as your GSP for eWaybill generation, and creating API user to access eWaybill portal directly from Tally Prime. Tally Prime Release 2.0 offers an integrated eWaybill feature that takes care of eWaybill generation without manual intervention. It is designed as a part of your regular invoicing activity and does not need any additional effort. To use Tally Prime for online eWaybill generation, you have to register for eWaybill and choose Tally India Private Limited as your GSP on the eWaybill portal. If you have already selected Tally India Private Limited as your GSP and created an API user for e-invoicing, there is no need to create one for eWaybill separately. You can use e-invoice API user login to generate eWaybill directly from Tally Prime. To register for eWaybill, open the eWaybill portal. Under registration, click eWaybill registration to open the eWaybill registration form. Enter your GSTIN and CAPTCHA and click Go to Submit. The company details related to the provided GSTIN number are displayed. To verify the details, click Send OTP. You will receive the OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP in the form and click Verify OTP. Once the verification is successful, fields to enter, username and password are displayed. Enter the details and click Save. Your eWaybill registration is completed and eWaybill portal login credentials are created. You can now log in to the eWaybill system using the username and password created now. To select Tally as your GSP and create API user on eWaybill portal, log in to the eWaybill portal. Go to Home page. Click Registration and then click for GSP. Register your GST Suvidha Provider screen is displayed. Click Send OTP. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click Verify OTP. The registration form is shown. Select the option Add New. In the GSP name field of the register form, select Tally India Private Limited. The username is already assigned by the eWaybill portal. You can add a 3-character suffix to the username. Enter a 3-character suffix in the username and re-enter username fields. Enter a 15-character password in the password and re-enter password fields. You can use this API username and password in Tally Prime to directly access eWaybill portal and exchange information. Click Add. Even if you have already selected an GSP and created API user for the GSP, you can create a new API user and select Tally India Private Limited as GSP. Once the user creation is completed, you can use the username and password of the API user in Tally Prime for online access of eWaybill portal. This will allow Tally Prime to exchange information with the portal in real time to generate and download eWaybill details. You can do all eWaybill related activities like generate, cancel, extend period, update Part B details and so on directly from Tally Prime using the API user login credentials. Thank you. To know more about Tally Prime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com.